Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a clear scope and immediate tasks. Pick one disaster to focus on and why it matters to your locality. Once chosen, assemble a 3-5-member team and assign roles so work moves in parallel. Make sure to agree on deliverables: a physical model or map, a 3-4-page report, and a 5-slide presentation. This prevents last-minute chaos and lets you start research and material collection right away. Now dive into research and construction. Collect local data like past incidents, risk maps, and at-risk facilities to explain the why behind your choices. While one person drafts the hazard, vulnerability, and capacity diagrams, another compiles the report sections: causes, impacts, and prevention. Once done, start building the model or poster. Label evacuation routes, shelters, and mitigation measures clearly, and use color-coded legends so viewers instantly grasp priorities and recommended actions. To finish, refine the report to 3-4 pages with a 1-page executive summary and clear, actionable recommendations. Then rehearse a 5-minute presentation twice, assigning lines and ensuring smooth transitions. Time each segment. Make presentation visuals crisp and test any props. If things go wrong, have backups: saved files on USB and cloud, spare poster pieces, and a 1-minute contingency script to cover missing elements, so you still deliver a confident, complete project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.